I'm going to show you how to add contacts on Duolingo. So it is really easy, so let's get right into it. So just look at the lower bar where you can see multiple options over here. Just look at the corner 3-dot button, and once you tap here, you have options like feed and profile, and just tap on profile, and now you would see this. And now you can see this option of add friends. You just need to tap here, and now you can either find your friends through contacts, you can search by their name, or share a follow link. Since we're trying to add contacts, just go ahead and select the first option. You need to turn on contacts and settings to find friends. Just go ahead and open your settings and make sure that you have allowed access. And go back after you've allowed the access. Now you can see that Duolingo has synced contacts successfully, and now they will give you friend suggestions. So this is how you add contacts in Duolingo. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please subscribe to our channel if you want more helpful tutorials like these, and leave a comment down below to let us know what sort of videos that you would like. Thank you for watching.